ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another motovlog. We are at a new track today. This is a private club track that you can come ride if you're a member, but I've never been here. It's a Friday down here in North Carolina, and it is a nice, cool, crisp 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're doing our roller lap here, seeing what kind of jumps are on this track. Okay, little double. Oh, this one's got a nice steep face on it. Can't really see the landing. Oh, that's just a... you don't want to jump that. All right, more doubles where you can see the landing, no problem. Oh yeah, conquered our first one on the sight lap, baby. Probably not advisable to jump things on the sight lap, but the little ones like that I can see the landing, I have confidence. Okay, a couple nice sized tables. Now this one, the jump face is massive. That is huge. I wonder if we can do that. Oh, we got that. That's a nice step up. Nice big jump face. Okay, that's a table, but you gotta land like into the corner. Split lane action, that looks fun. I like how they have the rollers on the inside, so you can choose inside or outside. They've got another tabletop at the finish. Yeah! Don't even think about it, just hit it. I gotta remember not to jump this thing because this is just a... Yes! Alright, next lap. Got it. Step up around this corner. Just gotta have confidence. Go for it. Hell yeah. It's so fun learning new jumps. Whoa. Little OJ. Trying to hold this traction, man. I could probably shift up to fourth there. I'm a little strung out in third. Woo! Oh yeah! Conquering these jumps, no problem.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's click up the fourth here. Oh shit! Oh my god! Whoa, that's one of the biggest overjumps I've done in a long time. That KYB soaked that OJ up so good though. Woo! My boy Brent getting a little sideways. See if we can hit this tabletop from the inside line. Oh, just cased it. Need to have more corner speed for that. Those sand berms are so fun. Seat bounce launch, fun. Almost landed off the track. I forgot that That jump, you like have to hit it at an angle. That could have been real sketch. Oh shit! I don't know how I just saved that, dude. That's what happens when your arms are just absolutely gelatin. My arms probably look like noodles as the bars are bouncing back and forth. That one is probably the scariest jump on the track, because you land right into a corner. The whole jump is angled. There we go, got it from the inside. Just had to crank the seat bounce a little bit. Oh, let's chop it. All right, let's go. Ah, damn it. God, this jump is huge. I'm getting close just coasting it. I need to have a little bit more confidence and go for it, but some jumps you just feel so much better following someone you know. It's so much easier following someone that you know they know how fast they need to hit the jump. I feel like I'm really bad at guessing the speed on jumps. Something I'm trying to work on, and it just comes with years of practice, you know? I'm trying to just keep my rear end planted in this dry shit. It's tough. That corner is so much fun, dude. We go over this wall. I gotta clutch the shit out of it, but fourth gear, you can seat bounce that one as far as you want. Now let's stay third. So Brent said he watches my YouTube videos, and he actually went out and bought that 2025 YZ250F. Oh shit, I got really close to him. That was sketch. He said he went out and bought that 25 Yamaha YZ250F after watching some of my videos. That's so sick to hear. Alright guys, I'm really sorry to disappoint, but I don't think I have this one in me today. I'm bitching out. The jump face is just a little too sketchy for me. It's windy. I'll definitely come back here on a day where the track is prepped, and I'll get one of my buddies out here that I know is hitting that jump, so I can voice crack. I'll get one of my buddies out here that I know is hitting that jump, and I'll follow him off it, because I know I can do that. I'm just being a little bit of a wimp today on these sketchy conditions. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Had a lot of fun learning a new track, even though it was dry and sketch. It's always a good day on a new track, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.